This is a chair dangling off the ceiling with a piece of plastic string, but it's actually just a plastic sheet of plastic, and then it's like kind of folded up, so it's like a string, and then wind it around this plank of wood. Comes down here, ties around here, ties around here. Somehow, I don't know, just goes zigzag and then comes here. No loop, this one tie here. This is actually not a noose, no, this is actually my V1, this is V2. This is a 5-ringgit Tesco plastic chair. I have a piping that goes from the faucet to here, and basically, yeah, water comes out, then my 2 hands are free to, shower. And yeah, this is my DIY shower head. And I just take the nozzle out from here and I put it in my bucket to old-fashioned style. Sometimes I need to like tip the chair forward. I mean, I don't know how I did this, and actually the chair is actually like deformed and bent. If I put this up against the ceiling, yeah, it's kind of bent. So if I actually like take this chair down, it wouldn't actually be suitable as a chair. So anyway, guys, thank you for watching.